Current status of peace education. The present lecture has been prepared by Dr. Shokeen Bilal, who is presently working as an assistant professor in the discipline of education. Let us try to understand current status of peace education in present scenario. The current status of peace education in the present scenario may vary from one region or country to another, but there are several common trends and challenges. 1. Incorporation into formal curriculum. Many countries have integrated peace education into their formal education systems to varying degrees. Peace education may be included in subjects like civics, social studies, or ethics. 2. Globalization and digitalization. Globalization and the digital age have increased the accessibility of peace education materials through online resources and e-learning platforms. This has allowed for broader dissemination of peace-related knowledge. 3. Inconsistent implementation. The implementation of peace education varies widely among educational institutions. Some schools and colleges prioritize peace education, while others may give it less attention. Lack of teacher training. Insufficient training and resources for teachers can hinder effective peace education delivery. Teachers may not be adequately prepared to address sensitive topics related to conflict and peace. 5. Political and cultural challenges. In some regions, political and cultural factors can impede the inclusion of peace education in the curriculum. Controversial issues related to history, identity, or conflict may be contentious topics. 6. Civil society and NGO initiatives. Non-governmental organizations and civil society groups often fill gaps in formal education by offering peace education programs and initiatives. They play a critical role in promoting peace and conflict resolution. 7. Global conflicts and crises. Ongoing conflicts and crises in various parts of the world underscore the urgent need for peace education. Educators may adapt their approaches to address current events and their impact on peace and stability. 8. Youth engagement. Youth movements and activism have brought attention to peace-related issues. Young people are increasingly advocating for peace, climate justice, and social justice. 9. Interconnected challenges. Peace education increasingly acknowledges the interconnectedness of issues like climate change, inequality, and violence. It seeks to address these challenges holistically to create a more peaceful world. 10. Promotion of Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. Peace education aligns with SDG Goal 16, which focuses on peace, justice, and strong institutions. Governments and organizations are working to integrate peace education into their SDG initiatives. 11. Research and evaluation. There is a growing body of research and evaluation efforts to measure the impact of peace education programs. This research helps refine and improve the effectiveness of peace education strategies. 12. Challenges to peace and security. Ongoing conflicts, terrorism, and security threats in some regions highlight the need for more robust peace education efforts. These challenges underscore the importance of conflict prevention and resolution. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shokeen Bilal.